Good afternoon for the lecturer, Mr. Dodi Tirtana, and of course for all of us. Welcome to today's discussion. We are Group 3. We'll delve into a topic that a part of human resource management, HRM, and labor. For the title is The Influence of Open Unemployment Rate, Regional Minimum Wage, and Labor Force Participation Rate on Poverty Rate in DKI Jakarta. Today, we'll explore how these three key indicators, unemployment, wage, and labor force participation, interact and impact the poverty rate in Jakarta. Are higher minimum wage is truly effective in reducing poverty? Does increasing labor force participation ultimately lead to the better living standard? And how does open unemployment continue to affect Jakarta vulnerable communities? Without further ado, let us begin. For the first speaker, you can start this discussion.
Okay, first, normality test. Based on the Jervebera probability value in the image above, the research data does not have a normality problem because the Jervebera test probability value of 0.60 is greater than the real level. So with this decision is accepted. Next, multicollinearity test. Based on the result of the VIF multicollinearity test above, it can be concluded that no multicollinearity was found in the three independent variable used. This is evidenced by the VIF value of the three independent variables. Next, uh, heteroscedasticity test. Based on the test results shown in the table above, it is known that the R-square probability value is 0.29. This is in accordance with the white test criteria that the result of the white test have a greater R-square probability value than significant. So, it can be concluded that the data does not have a heteroscedasticity problem because it is in accordance with the proportion exceeding the significant level. Thank you.
The next is the autocorrelation test. In this study uses LM test. Based on the results of the Bruce-Godfrey test, it can be concluded that the data passed the autocorrelation test on the regression model used. This is proved by du less than dw less than 4 minus du, where the Darwin-Watson state value is 1.950466, while the du and dl values in the Darwin-Watson table with T equal 14 and K equal 4 are 1.7782 and 0.7666 respectively. Next, partial test or t-test. The t-test is used to test the significance and influence of independent variables on dependent variables partially. The following are the results of the t-test that has been carried out. Based on the processing of the t-test data above, the probability value of t-stat for the TPT variable is 0.0191 less than 0.05. T-stat for the UMP variable is 0.0067 less than 0.05. And t-stat for the TPIK variable is 0.5796 more than 0.05. This means that the TPT and UMP variables have a significant effect on TK Jakarta, while the TPIK variable does not have a significant effect on TK Jakarta. F-test. The F-test is used to test the significance and influence of independent variables on the dependent variable simultaneously. Based on the result of the F-test above, it can be concluded that simultaneously the independent variable affect the dependent variable. This is evidenced by the probability F-stat value of 0.005628 less than 0.05. In conclusion, TPT, UMP, and TPIK simultaneously affect TK DKI Jakarta. Next. The determination coefficient R square is conducted to measure the extent to which the model is able to explain the dependent variable. The determination coefficient value is between 0 and 1. A good determination coefficient test is when the R square value approaches 1. From the result of eViews data processing, it can be concluded that the independent variables X, RMW, LFPR, and RLS can explain the dependent variable Y OUR Indonesia by 0.649233 65%, while the rest is influenced by other variables outside the model. Thank you.
Okay, the effect of open unemployment rate on poverty rate from the result of data processing conducted by the author, the individual effect of the open unemployment rate on the poverty rate is positive, namely at 0.15215. This figure means that when the open unemployment rate increased by open percent, it will impact the increase in the poverty rate by 0.15215. Firstly, the level of open employment has a significant effect on change in the poverty rate. This statement is supported by the research of the t-test, where the significant level of the open unemployment rate is 0.0191. Since the figure is less than 0.05, it can be concluded the variable level of open employment has a significant effect on the poverty rate. If the significant value of the count is less than 0.05, it means that there is a significant influence between one independent variable and the dependent variable. Next, the effect of regency minimum wage on the poverty rate. From the result of data processing conducted by the author, the individual effect of the provincy minimum wage on the poverty rate is positive at 0.00. This figure means that when the provincy minimum wage increased by 1%, it will affect the increase the poverty rate by 0.24335. Firstly, the provincy minimum wage has a significant effect on change in the poverty rate. This significant is supported by the result of the t-test, where the significant value of the provincy minimum wage is the 0.00. This figure is less than 0.05. It can be concluded the provincy minimum wage variable has a significant effect on the poverty rate.
Okay, next. The effect of labor force participation rate or LFPR on poverty rate. From the result of data processing conducted by the author, the individual effect or LFPR on property rate is positive at 0.028666 LFPR. This figure means that when the open participant rate increases by 1%, it will affect the increase in the poverty rate by 2.8%. Particularly, LFPR has a significant effect on change in poverty level. This statement is supported by the result of the LFPR t-test, which is 0.5796. This figure is above 0.05, so it can be concluded that the LFPR variable does not have a significant effect on poverty level. If the significant value of T more than 0.05, it means that there is no significant influence between one independent variable and the dependent variable. Next, the effect of open unemployment rate or OUPR, regency minimum wage, economical active participation rate on poverty rate in DKI Jakarta. Based on the result of the F test above, it can be concluded that simultaneously the independent variable affect the dependent variable. This is evidenced by the f-test value of 0.00568 less than 0.05. In the conclusion, OUR, RMW, and LFVR simultaneously affect property rate DKI Jakarta. Together, the three independent variables in the study have a equally significant effect on poverty rate. This is evidenced by the f-test or simultaneously figure of 0.00568 less than 0.05. Is that three variables all have the same number, the poverty rate value will have a namely poverty rate 0.532596 plus 0.1521 OUR plus 0.00 RMW plus 0.028666 FFPR. Okay, thank you.
So we know the conclusion is the first variable of open unemployment rate is positive and has a significant effect of the poverty rate in Jakarta. The second variable, the provincial minimum wage, has a positive and significant effect of the poverty rate. And the third variable, the labor force participation rate, is positive and has no significant effect on the poverty rate in Jakarta. So that's all that we can say in this presentation. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.